Hey guys, it's Kat here from K Janeway PMA. In today's video, what we're going to do is give you 3 tips to learn to help you talk to women. Let's get started. Alright, tip 1 for talking to women: be yourself. I know, it sounds really wishy-washy and you don't know what that means, and you're like, this is not a tip, and you might ask yourself, like, why is it important for me to be myself to try to talk to women? Like, shouldn't I try and be someone better? No, trying to be somebody else is not going to work out in the long term. I mean, a bunch of movies have been made about it. I'm not sure which ones, but I could probably link them here. So, be yourself. You are literally 1 in 400 trillion, okay? That's like, it's not 100 or 1,000 or a million or a billion. It's a trillion, and it's 400 of those. You have something special to give inside of you, and I don't know what that is. That's for you to find out. That's part of being yourself, is discovering who you are. So tip 2 for talking to women: be confident. And confidence is simply something that is a byproduct of self-love. And self-love is not like a place of feeling happy. Self-love is actually an action. Self-love is something that you do, that you need or want to take care of yourself. So that's personal hygiene, and that's, doing what you want, and setting your own boundaries, and forgiving yourself, and yeah, it's basically about accepting who you are as you are right now. That's self-love. And once you feel love for yourself, then confidence is it's a byproduct of it. You feel you love yourself. You feel confident in yourself because you love yourself. And confidence is extremely attractive to everyone, very attractive to women. And with confidence, that will actually only help you talk to women much more easier. Okay, and the 3rd and final tip for talking to women is to be curious and compassionate. What I mean by curious is take interest in what she's talking about, take interest in who she is, take interest in her interests. If you have trouble talking to women and you don't know what to say, a very easy thing to do is to ask her about herself, because people like to talk about themselves. It's kind of like an icebreaker. It's an easy way to start to converse with someone. To be compassionate means to have humanity, and to have humanity means to be humane, and humane simply means to show benevolence and kindness, and to not do harm. And so compassion to women is highly attractive. Highly attractive. My point is that compassion is beautiful. Compassion is walking down the street and seeing a guy holding a baby. That turns on ovaries. We're like, oh my god, he can make a family, and the idea of family, the idea of a mate, and the idea of protection and mutual benefit, all those things are really attractive, and that comes from being compassionate. Okay, so that is the video. That is the 3 tips for talking to women. Tip number 1 being be yourself. Tip number 2, be confident. And tip number 3, be curious and compassionate. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification icon so that you know exactly when my videos drop. See you guys. Hey lady, you're feeling pretty left out, right? Boys, well don't worry. The next video coming out is all about